and welcome to German Glow. In this video, you will learn the German alphabet, das alphabet, the foundation of every German word. Okay. This is our second lesson, Lektion 2. Our second lesson is das alphabet, German alphabet. Learn how to say spell in German. Okay. German has 26 letters just like English, but a few of them sound different, and there are 4 extra characters you will want to know. Let's go through the alphabet step by step. I will say each letter and you can repeat after me. Okay. First one, A. A. A for apple. Apple. B. B. B for ball. Ball. C. C. C for computer. Computer. D. D. D for ducker. Ducker. A. A. A for enter. Enter. F. F. F for fenster. Fenster. G. G. G for gobble. H. H. H for house. House. E. E. E for insect. Insect. Yacht. Yacht. Yacht for younger. Younger. Car. Car. Car for Katze. Katze. L. L. L for lumper. Lumper. M. M. M for man. Man. N. N. N for nase. Nase. O. O. O for Oma. Oma. P. P. Fred. Fred. Q. Q. Q for Kuele. Kuele. R. R. R for Rose. Rose. S. S. S for Sonne. Sonne. T. T. T for T. T. U. U. U for Uhr. Uhr. V. V. V for Vater. Vater. W. W. W for Wasser. Wasser. X. X. X for xylophone. Xylophone. Epsilon. Epsilon. Epsilon for yacht. Yacht. Z. Z. Z for Zug. Zug. German also has 4 special characters. First one is A. A. A mit umlaut. A mit umlaut. This is pronounced A. A. Apfel. Apfel. U. U. Ul. Ul. I. Ü. Übung. Übung. S. S. Fuß. Fuß. Okay. Again, I will say each letter and you can repeat after me. A. A. B. B. C. C. D. D. A. A. F. F. G. G. H. H. E. E. Yacht. Yacht. K. K. L. L. M. M. N. N. O. O. P. P. Q. Q. R. R. S. S. T. T. U. U. V. 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 X. X. Epsilon. Epsilon. Z. Z. Okay. E. E. Sound like A. Similar to air. Air. A. A. U. U. Like earn. Like in the word earn. Earn. Same earn. U. U. A tight E sound with a rounded lip. Rounded lips. Okay. Asset. Asset. Called asset or sharp S. The letter asset never comes at the beginning. Last letter asset. Beginning of a word. You will often see it in work like Straße meaning street or gross meaning big. Yeah. Okay, let's practice spelling a name in German. For example, Lena. Lena. Lena, you say L-A-N-A. Okay, try spelling your own name in German. Pause the video and try now. Okay, great job. You have just learned the German alphabet, an important first step in your language journey. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to German Glow for more simple and fun German lessons.